What's up, guys? Welcome back to another RX8 video. Today we're going to be doing some body work. I'm not very good at this, so probably don't do what I do when it comes to body work. We're going to fill in these little tiny pinholes on the trunk. Let's see, there's 5 little holes from badges, and sorry for all the traffic noise, but I'm going to go ahead and fill in all of those with Bondo because, why not?
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer while we...
So while the Bondo on the trunk is drying, I'm going to go ahead and start taking the car apart, like the front bumper, maybe the headlights, the side skirts, all of the, the tail lights, all that stuff. And then we'll go ahead and finish sanding the car.
So ashamed to be alive. Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take.
Look at that.
It's nasty. It's been sitting in a garage for...
Is this the first time you drove it this year?
No, I drove it a couple weeks ago. But the wheels haven't been cleaned. It hasn't even been washed. It kind of sat in the garage for like 5 months and it's been neglected.
I love this thing though. Those seats actually look really comfy.
They're not bad. Eventually swap it out. We bought some turbo parts for it a week or two ago, so we bought some turbo parts for it a couple weeks ago. It's gonna get boosted soon. K-A-T.
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 Going to be super fast and extra drifty.
Yeah. Looks like a turd, but
All it needs is a coat of paint.
Yeah, that's it. Some body work, some paint.
You don't even need body work. Just throw some over fenders on it.
That's the fun.
It's fine. What is that thing? What does this mean?
I don't know. Amanda found it at Slammed Enough in Gatlinburg, and she said, we're putting that on your 240, and I said, okay.
That definitely looks like something that would go on here, though.
Yeah, I know. It's nasty, too. But we're going to do a black top cover with red letters, I think.
Never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It that it feels right. Going with the gut, never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet, hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up, you can have it all. Watch me rip it off, I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging, we go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now.
All the base coat's done. Time for the rear.
Look at it though.
Look at that bumper though. Check that out.
Those are custom.
That is definitely custom.
It's all custom right here.
Yeah, like you can't buy that from the factory. Not like anybody would want to, but you can't. You have to go and drift and fuck it up. What do you think about it?
I think it looks good. I'm liking the color on it.
Whoa. I don't know what that was. This is after the third coat of satin clear. This is still wet. I'll try to find a dry spot to show you how it's going to look. Everything looks absolutely perfect. See the roof up there still drying. Made sure to get in the gas tank and in behind the taillights and took, you know, the headlights out and everything. And I just absolutely can't stand when somebody doesn't paint those things, especially the gas cap, or even this right here in behind the door handle. Please paint that if you paint a car. This right here is about the finish it's going to be. This is mostly dry. You can kind of see a glare. It's not flat, but it's also not gloss. It's satin. That's what satin is. I'm really digging how this turned out. I used some fine line tape on it, and well, got a absolutely crisp line. Let's go on to the other side. This side I've just finished spraying. It's still drying. I did not body work this, and on purpose. It looks a lot better in person than it does on the camera. It's darker in person. So with this, I'm just going to drift stitch those back. Mirror caps, gas door, side skirts. I'll come back whenever the car is put back together. Alright guys, so here it is. Got the car put back together. Got the custom whip made. Got the little stick-on whip installed. The little support piece that goes to it. Mirrors are on. All the tape is off. Gas door is back on. It's right behind this door. Y'all ready for this?
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities.